Okay, so for this video we have the 2023 Kia Telluride, and we're going to do the installation for the side trims for the door and for the bottom piece as well. So let's get started. So before starting off the installation, we want to clean the panel that we're going to be working on. So just apply your slip solution onto your microfiber towel, and then just clean off any dust or any contaminations that the panels might have. So when it comes to installing the door panel trims, it is the same procedure for each one. You just want to start off by aligning it from one end and working your way to the other end. And then if you have any extra material, you just trim it off or tuck in, depending on the design of the trim. And you just rinse and repeat for each one of these. So just grab the piece that you're going to be working on. So for this one's going to be for this section here. And like I said, it's just rinse and repeat the process that we do for this one for each one as well. Place it down just to hold it in place. Start from one end and then just work your way to the other end, and you make sure you're covering the chrome piece. I usually use the bottom half as a guide of where I need to align it, because the top half I could either trim off or tuck in. Once you place it, you just squeegee it and tack it down, and if you can, just tuck in or just trim off the material. And once you have placed the film onto the panel, you just want to make sure you apply heat. That way the adhesive activates, and then afterwards you just trim off any excess material. And like I said, rinse and repeat the same steps that we did for this one to each section here. So for this last piece here, you want to start off by aligning it to this end first, and then just making your way on installing the rest of the film. So just make sure you align it right on the edge here. And then once you have it aligned, just work your way on installing the rest of the film. And then just start tacking down little by little to remove any fingers. Okay, and once you're done, you would just trim off any excess material and then just seal it off with heat afterwards. Okay, so the same thing that we did with the top piece, we will just do it for the bottom piece here. So just align it right on the edge. Make sure you give yourself enough material, that way you cover the curve of the edge here. And once you have it down, tack down the film. I recommend aligning it from the top piece first, since it is a more easier section to tack down and align. And once you have the top piece covered, then you work your way on installing the rest of the film. So just bring it down. You can use your squeegee as well, but make sure you're removing any air bubbles that are behind the film. And you would just finish off by tucking in the rest here. And then just trim off any excess material that you may have. And then afterwards just post heat to finish it off. And you just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did here for the back end too. Okay, so that concludes the installation for the side trim for the 2023 Kia Telluride. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.